In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily check send friend requests on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up Facebook app, then go to your profile page. Tap at this three dots button and select Activity Log. After that, scroll down until you find Connections, tap on it to expand it, and that's where we can tap at Send Friend Requests to see all our Send Friend Requests history. We can scroll it down to check that list. However, if we want to check our send friend requests to accept them or decline, we need to go to Friends, and that's where we can easily find our current friend requests. We can tap at See All, and that's where we can confirm those requests by tapping at Confirm. And also we can decline them by tapping at Delete. That's how you can easily check send friend requests on Facebook.